Hi, I'm James and thanks for tuning in to eBuyer. In this video, I'm going to be taking a look at Crucial Ballistix gaming memory. This is an exciting RGB memory kit that's going to work great in your next gaming PC build, and here's a few reasons why you should absolutely consider it. This kit looks fantastic with a red metal heat spreader that has a metallic finish and will look great in a gaming system. Other colour options are indeed available. Plus you get an RGB strip at the top of the memory. It's addressable RGB, meaning it can shine up multiple colours at once, and it looks fantastic. The Ballistix branding is part of Crucial's gaming lineup and looks really well with any modern gaming PC build. This 16GB dual channel kit is perfect for playing the latest games and pairing up with a powerful CPU, and with a 3200MHz speed and other speed options available at ebuyer.com, you can be sure you're getting the right kit for your next system. Let's unbox the memory and cover off the installation process so you guys can see how to install or upgrade an existing system with Crucial's Ballistix gaming memory. Nice and simple then, I wouldn't expect anything less. Pretty compact box as well, with some plastic packaging housing both of the RAM DIMMs. These DIMMs, despite being RGB, are actually fairly low profile. This is good for clearance when it comes to particularly large air CPU coolers, and it's just good to see that those details have been considered. You can see here that above the DIMM module itself on this black PCB, there's only a little bit of extra RGB, which looks good, but also doesn't take up too much room. We've gone ahead and picked up a motherboard available at eBuyer to actually demonstrate how to install the memory. Now, the exact RAM DIMM slots you use will really depend on the CPU, on the motherboard and on the platform, but in our case we're using the second and fourth slots. So we're going to pull back the clips on either side, and then we can go ahead and install, not drop, install the memory. What you'll want to do is locate the notch on the memory and align this with the corresponding notch on the DIMM slot of your motherboard. This will be the same whether you're building a new PC, upgrading an existing one, and it's a universal installation process. We're then able to very simply slide the RAM into place, apply a little bit of pressure on either side, and just like that, the memory is installed. Simply repeat for as many DIMMs as you've got, and as I say, running these in alternate slots gives us that dual channel performance edge. And that's just about it really. You can see with the RAM installed, it looks even better than it did out of the box, and we'll also put some footage on your screen now of the RGB on the RAM lit up and looking absolutely fantastic. And on that note, I think that pretty much wraps it up for our first look, unboxing, and of course installation of Crucial's Ballistix gaming memory. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big like rating, get subscribed to see more from the eBuyer channel. Thank you for tuning in, and as always, we'll see you again soon.